Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults with a 1500W peak motor and 26 fat tires has quickly become my go-to mode of transportation, blending power, style, and versatility in an impressive package. The standout feature of this e-bike is undoubtedly its robust 1500W peak motor, which delivers a thrilling boost in performance. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising through city streets, the motor provides ample support, allowing speeds of up to 28 miles per hour with ease. The 26 fat tires are another highlight, offering excellent traction and stability, making it a breeze to navigate various terrains, from sandy beaches to snowy pathways. This bike's design is not just functional but also eye-catching, featuring a sleek frame and a modern aesthetic that turns heads. The build quality exudes durability, instilling confidence that it can handle the rigors of daily use. Comfort is paramount, and this e-bike does not disappoint. The adjustable seat is cushioned, providing a pleasant riding experience even on longer journeys. Additionally, the handlebars are ergonomically designed, ensuring a natural grip that minimizes strain during extended rides. The bike also features front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power, a crucial safety aspect for any electric bike. One minor drawback is the weight. The bike is somewhat heavy, which can make lifting or maneuvering it more challenging when not in motion. However, this heft contributes to its stability and ruggedness. The battery life is impressive as well, with a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding conditions. Overall, the electric bike for adults with a 1500W peak motor and 26 fat tires is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking an adventurous yet reliable electric bike. It combines power with comfort, making it suitable for both commuting and recreational riding. If you're in the market for an e-bike that can handle diverse terrains and provide an exhilarating experience, this model is highly recommended.